Have you ever wondered how to fight back against negative items like charge-offs, collection, late payments on your credit report? The answer lies in something that most people didn't know exists, but they've heard the buzzword Metro 2, but they didn't understand the codes and the standards. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what Metro 2 is, the code creditors must use, and how to use compliance rules to demand removal of negative information off of your credit reports. Metro 2 is the data format created by Consumer Data Industry Association. It's the rule book that every creditor, debt collector, and lender must follow when they send information to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Think of Metro 2 as the blueprint for credit reporting. If a furnisher doesn't report your account accordingly to this format, the information becomes inaccurate, incomplete, or unverifiable. And under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, that means it must be corrected or deleted. Now let's talk a little bit about Metro 2 code and why they matter. Compliance codes or compliance condition codes, CCC. This indicates special situations like bankruptcy, fraud, or dispute. If a creditor fails to apply the right code, your report is misleading. Account status code. This shows whether your account is current, delinquent, charged off, or closed. Furnishers often get this wrong by showing an account is open when it's actually closed. Payment ratings code. These track how many months you were past due. If they still show that you're late after an account was closed or charged off, that's an error. Date of first delinquency, DOFD, one of the most critical fields. This date determines how long an item stays on your credit report. If it's wrong, a negative item could stay on your credit reports if you do nothing about it longer than the allotted 7-year time limit. If you do nothing about it. Balance and payment due fields. Metro 2 requires consistency. If an account is charged off, it can't show a past due balance being updated monthly. That's double reporting. We see that a lot with accounts that have been sold to debt collectors. Furnishers like credit card companies, banks, and debt collectors must certify all data they send is accurate and follows Metro 2 guidelines. This means they must report the right status code. They must stop updating accounts once they're closed or charged off. They must use the correct dates. And if you dispute an item, they must reinvestigate it and fix it in Metro 2 format. If they can't prove compliance, the law requires the credit bureau to remove that item off of your credit report. Here's how you could take advantage of Metro 2 compliance. Get all 3 credit reports. If you need your credit reports, you can go to www.3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports, and all 3 scores. Next, compare the negative accounts against Metro 2 requirements. Look for inconsistencies, wrong dates, double balances, missing condition codes. Next, write a dispute letter citing Metro 2 compliance violations, not just "it's not mine." Send it to each bureau. By pointing out these technical errors, you force them into a corner. They must fix the record according to Metro 2 or delete it entirely. This works because the law is on your side. The Fair Credit Reporting Act requires accuracy and verifiability. Metro 2 is the industry's own standard of accuracy. If the creditor can't meet that standard, they're legally required to remove that negative item off of your credit report. I've seen charge-offs, collections, and late payments come off credit reports because furnishers simply couldn't validate their Metro 2 code. So if you're tired of living with charge-offs and collections dragging your scores down, use Metro 2 compliance to start fixing your credit. Or you can come visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com, watch the video What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation and my two-phase settlement process, which uses Metro 2 compliance. If you have debt collectors coming after you early in the game, you can grab my 3-pack of letters for free. I just ask for a donation, or you can go to summonsmaster.com, upload your debt collection letter, and it will create an exclusive certified debt validation letter. If you need your credit reports and scores, because everything starts there, go to www.your3scores.com. If you have debt collectors who are suing you in court, go to summonsmaster.com, where you can upload a PDF copy of your complete summons and get a fully formatted response to every allegation against you and a defense to potentially win your case. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel. Post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of the CreditRepairShop.com and Summons Master.